sucks.
Oh wait,
I
there's a guy that
know.
works there?
I took an order and I was like, Owen, after you do this,
Wait,
put this in.
who
He
is
never
she?
put it in. The people get their food.
I never met that
Package to
kid
come
yet.
up, then we have to figure out how to.
Yo, I never met that kid yet. Is he bad at it?
Yes.
Bad.
Really?
Yo, today I'm eating with gloves on.
Yo, I didn't even get like a new work set, so it's just
Dude,
Thursday.
Robin Apple was
Joey, were you there on Sunday?
Yeah.
Was I supposed to be there?
Yeah.
No, right?
Or maybe you were.
Because it wasn't on the app, so I didn't go.
I mean, it's a good thing you were, because there was 5 people, and then we had to send me home. Hey!
Oh my god, what the hell? Look, like it says Thursday 5 to 9. Like, how am I gonna work 5 to
I
9?
don't want it.
Let me have.
What's wrong with 5 to 9?
You can't work 5 to 9. You're not allowed to work
We talked to
5.
Charlie.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ben worked until 8:30.
What did Ben say?
Ben worked until 8:30 on Monday.
I feel like Ben thinks he's like,
I'm gonna be 16 soon. I know, that's what I said.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Our business doesn't give a shit, dog.
Yo! Bro, today we're
Yo! Gavin, are you sitting here? Or you gotta go to his house?
Dude, get those chicken
Boo!
crispies. Fuck it.
Do the wrong thing, man! Troublemaker! I'm a little hungry, but I ain't really
But I
trying
have
to
a
eat.
sub, but I miss a body saw me, so fuck it.
I like the way.
I'm gonna
say you're
sit
at the
here.
nurse or something.
I'm gonna go say hi to
Or I'm just gonna tell her like long ass fucking thing.
Don't worry about it, man.
Sub to him.
Yeah, eat that.
Sub to him.
You should sub. Bro, we're gonna be eating strawberries. Bro, to keep my hands clean.
Kids who
Yo,
eat.
Joe has the best channel on YouTube.
Yeah, fuck PewDiePie.
Yeah, dude, that guy's a fucking
You just
prick.
ate the.
That's a fucking prick, bro.
It's fucking disgusting. You're eating the.
Yo, Cam. Why you taking a bite out of one of them? Yo, Max is real hair.
There's too much red stuff on these. Anyone want this red stuff? I don't like it.
What red stuff?
Yeah. The end of the strawberry. It's nasty.
You didn't take a bite out of this one.
No.
Oh, you're good, man. You're fucking sweet.
I'm gonna try it.
What do you guys do after your regents? Whatever.
We don't have one.
Final. Do you do actual work in class anymore?
We have a final this week, then we have our AP Bio exam next week, then we're done.
Yeah, I.
But
Hey,
yeah,
what was I
what?
gonna say? I was gonna say.
Strawberry juice.
What do you do after?
Strawberry juice.
It's like water. With a hint of strawberry. Now you got all the strawberry.
I'm gonna go on and then bite. Bite that one. You bit everyone. What the fuck? You know what? Fuck it. I'll take that one.
Get out. Get out of here!
Take your apple.
Get out of here!
You there.
Leave!
No.
Matt, look at my right foot.
It doesn't have a boot on?
Yeah, it's off.
Nice observation.
No, I'm actually like it's healed. I want to get a chicken sandwich.
Dude, it's your hat. Oh, you gotta put extra protection on, Joe.
Nah, I know who's stopping me.
Oh shit. Hey.
So what'd you do at that military?
Fucking killed Germans, bro.
Actually, that's a life, bro. Like modern day. No, actually, what'd you do?
Dude, that's a new Philip Klein logo.
I'm sorry, Kevin. So what did you do? Like, was it kids your age, or was it like... It's not here, Ted.
It's hard to explain.
What was like the main
Yeah,
thing you did?
you know you have a presentation going on right now?
Yeah. by two fat women.
No. There's people in school that was like
They're teaching first grade.
Straight Alliance Club.
It's for people.
Oh, I remember that.
I'm not a part of that alliance, so.
There was a girl who's like, I'm bisexual, but I'm also straight and I'm also gay.
Yeah, I bet
That's what
What
bisexual
the
means.
fuck?
Let me touch you with my slimy gloves.
Rub the carrots on there, then go up to someone and be like,
You're gonna go, wow.
And then go rub the carrots on the burrito and walk up to someone and go, "Eh." Is that what he said?
Something like that.
Yo,
Gavin,
why are you wearing gloves?
at people?
Look at my hands
Oh, you
clean.
didn't see my story?
I saw the story. I just saw Joe behind the sign.
What is that red stuff?
She's barking. That's strawberry juice.
Is it good?
Well, it's code for strawberry juice.
What?
It's not actually strawberry juice.
Yo, Gavin. So in the movie, when it goes like you have to go to the birthday boy, and you have
What?
stop. And then the thing should be that you tie him down to a chair while everybody's dead, and then take the dead people and put a candle on top. No, take his dead mother or like parent, right? Like take off their head, turn the parent's head upside down, put a candle in their throat, light it, and tell him to make a wish. And if he doesn't wish for salvation, then he doesn't get to keep his limbs.
Oh yeah.
So like say they wish to be saved, they you take off their legs, and then you just let it. Then you call 911.
The
What?
party
Wait,
crowd,
listen. If he wishes like for everything to go back to normal or something, you have to kill him slowly,
Without mercy.
without mercy.
Joe.
Party crashers coming to a town near you. Don't touch my saw.
Let him drink it.
No.
Video.
Why?
Not yet. I'm not done with it.
I know, I'm saying why you eat them.
Oh.
Drinking sauce.
Don't touch my special sauce.
So, what else did you do there?
People came, we showed them
Yo,
stuff.
Giacomo, this bag says Supreme. Are you gonna buy it?
No.
It has an apple on it.
Nope. Yeah, fuck
What?
yourself. Don't
You have to buy the apple, freaking idiot.
Dude, it says the bag says Supreme on it. And
Wait.
then there's an apple.
Wait, let me see.
Giacomo must have bought it.
I sold it. Like, it's not even like.
You sold what, a bag?
No, the apple sweatshirt that he had.
You wore it though.
I know.
You
but
lied
it's
to
like
them.
I
Did you
couldn't.
tell them you didn't?
No. You could sell it.
I know. I'm kidding. I'm just saying.
Dude, he sold it on Let Go. He's scamming the guy.
No,
No.
I didn't.
I'm gonna go my foot on my
Dude, I got banned off.
Yo,
that,
yo,
though. I
you-
thought we went through this.
Use the other thing.
One try challenge some food for me.
I sold my iPhone
Sure, whatever.
It looked like this.
70. It's
I'm
broken.
13. Yeah, size 8.
Are they new?
Yo, could you
Yeah.
try
I
selling
only
a
wanted
child
one.
for me?
Dude,
It's
do you have
on
They
like.
don't
conscious
even
right
look
now.
Where, where'd you leave it?
Like perfect.
In my basement.
Alright, I'll be over
I
after school.
keep playing around with the
3,
price.
2.
Okay, wait, I'll get you on
This
the
is,
picture.
what?
The box?
What?
What's your address again?
I think it's all messed up.
123
The box
Anus
is
Liquor
important, right?
Street.
Ah.
How is it like that? It's like how.
That's why I went to the wrong house. I thought it was Peter's
Wait, so you live next to
I don't know if I
Obama?
even
He's
have
122
any
Anus Liquor
What
Street.
if I don't? Like,
If you don't, I'll see how much it goes.
who buys just the box?
Crazy how you can go from
You buy
living in the White House to
just
the
a
Black
box.
House.
I'm the
Without
head
the
of
box.
the motherfucking state.
Like, you need the box to sell them?
No, but like, no, not really. What are they called? I just want to see how much they go for. Like,
13.
What the fuck
like, what is
is
like,
in that?
like, is it
Cheese.
just?
Dude, you play this.
And
Why is
then
it
you
like a
ran.
liquid?
Bro,
This
it's
guy was
semen.
interested and then never responded
Actually
to me.
doesn't look like my fucking semen.
Bro, your semen's yellow?
Yeah,
So
whose
clear.
isn't? Whose isn't blood red? I'm joking.
Well, what happened to him?
I was with Fabiani, and we're doing like rubber bands on each other, and like
That one was
I
bad.
like the hardest one.
I'm the head of you should put the cheese on your finger and have a cheese glove.
Why?
Yo, you remember that one? The mice among mice and men, or whatever it is. Remember that guy who keeps a glove full of Vaseline?
What?
Remember the guy who keeps a glove full of Vaseline and of mice and men? And
his wife?
I'm keeping it for my wife.
Oh my god, you're so.
And then I didn't get it. I was like,
Yeah,
I don't
because he
get
was gonna jerk her off with his soft hand.
Yeah, like what? Like,
I'm gonna jerk my wife off with my soft hands.
Bro, stop jerking off your wife.
Put the sauce to the side of the
if
glass.
you're gonna throw this out, can you throw this out too?
No! You're not the owner of my video.
Get wrecked.
You should have put the sauce inside of the glove
Why?
and hit someone with it. And be like,
You should put sauce in my butt crack. And then watch me poop out the
Could you
sauce.
sell a child from
Hey, hey,
No, no,
get
no,
out of
no.
here! Get out of here!
funny.
Get out of here! Hey,
Are
hey!
you
Depends
recording
what
right
day it
now?
is.
You better leave.
Are you recording right now?
What's that?
Yeah.
Joe, don't be stupid.
I don't like
maybe like a
What?
Tuesday? Next
Gavin,
Tuesday.
Gavin, know why I got this? Because I saw you that one.
recording?
Yes, because he'll go like.
How tall is he?
He's young, so he's still gonna grow, but
No,
he's
no,
only
no.
like
What, the unconscious baby?
How old is it?
5.
He's 5?
Is it working? Get wrecked.
How much are you looking to get for it?
A couple thousand.
Couple thousand? I don't know, where's he from?
Puerto Rico. But the weird thing is he's got.
I got you. Got
Oh,
him.
weird thing is he's got blonde hair and blue eyes, so he looks like a German kid.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows?
The kid I'm trying to sell.
Black market type shit. That's hilarious. You should be a
Yo, he's got a big
Whoa, was that a Vape Nation symbol?
Yeah, sure.
wait.
Joe, I did not sign the paper today.
You don't have to sign it every day. Who do you think you are? Some-
No, my chocolate. No,
I'm going
The
to
best
sign
present I
the
can give you
paper,
is
Joe.
probably like $17.50.
You know, I'm thinking about what?
Yo.
Yeah, we were twins, but now we're just.
I'm sorry, but that's like the absolute lowest of it.
So what's the highest?
Umi, did you?
Dude, does it make everything look
I
raw?
said $17.50. I'll
Long?
give you.
250.
Is this how you master the dick pic?
2,500.
Oh.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Hashtag Snapchat filters. Yo, what if we look at other people do this?
Yo.
Oh, be at my house. Is it working?
Yo, should I really
I don't think it's working.
I'm the head of the motherfucking state, nigga.